Welcome to the Potter Incorporated YouTube channel. This is Marie, and today we are highlighting new options in our Colorful Trends collection. Every prom goer deserves floral design that is as unique and individual as they are. Our new Colorful Trends collection lets individuality soar. As always, we start with the same basics. Organize the fresh. First up, focal flowers, then the fillers, and of course, floral adhesive holds everything together. Our all-new butterfly wristlets feature vibrant polka dot ribbon and fun wire wings and antenna. Start with gluing the focal flowers in place. Spray roses are always a great choice as a focal flower, followed by the filler. Shown here, we have a great option ready to take flight, as well as a permanent botanicals option. Next up, Glam Corsage, featuring the season's trending color bows and sequin wristlets. Start with organization. Focal flowers first, and then the fillers, and some greens. Caleb carefully places the spray roses throughout the loops of ribbon and adds the fillers to fill the gap. The Color Your World collection is up next, featuring wider ribbon and trendy colors with a matching beaded wristlet. Get your supplies organized, starting with the focals, then the fillers, and of course the greens. Following the same simple steps over and over again make corsage making so much faster and increasingly efficient. You'll be done with any design in record time. That's a wrap for the new Colorful Trends collection. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for joining us.